Hey, Brooks here again, and just doing a follow-up on the DES, working with the DES file, showing kind of how I use the sort function in my responses. So this is my grade review request form that I have students fill out if they need to turn in a late assignment and want me to look at it. And scrolling down, there are several hundreds of them over the last couple of years. This semester alone has quite a few. So I need to sort those. So I'm just looking at the most current ones. So I go to select in the corner there, that little button that selects all my data. And then I will go under the data sort and say sort range. And then of course I have header rows, a header row up here. So I'm going to select my data has a header row. And in this case, I want to sort them by timestamp first in this one because I want the most current one. So I'm going to do timestamp. That's the last one that filled it out. But then after that, I want to sort them by last names. But I have the timestamp and then my last name. Actually, because I want to keep these by class, I'm going to use my class period first. So I'm going to change that to class period. And then by period, I'm going to go ahead and sort those by last name. So now I can go ahead and hit sort and look at the most current ones, scroll down to the bottom. The most current ones are the last ones. And then, of course, they're sorted by class period over here. Looks like, yeah, because of the dates here. So I've got these ones here, the 22nd, and it sorts by period there. And then the 20th is the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, the 10th. Yeah, so there's different ones. So that's kind of confusing there. So I think I'd probably go back and resort this by period first and then by timestamp. Works different ways. So depending on how you want to sort it with your DES data, you're probably going to sort that by timestamp or by last name first and then by timestamp is like the way I did that one. So then you can see which kids are logging in which days. So anyway, play around with that, try different data sorts. And again, shoot me any questions if you need be. All right. Wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes. Take care.